Okay, I'm live now, and hopefully Shan should come live now. Just waiting, waving at him. Hey, hey, Shruti, what's up? What's up, Karan bhai? What's up? How's it going, buddy? I'm sorry, guys. I had planned this, but I cannot find someone that I'm trying to find over here. But anyway, we'll get back to the questions by Olivia Chakravarti. How am I spending my birthday in the lockdown? Oh, yeah. I've got you. Okay, okay. We finally got Shan, and I'll tell you how I've been spending my time in the lockdown. I've been eating a lot of cake. I've been trying to get Shan online. So there we go. Sorry
This
about
is
that.
crazy.
So sorry. I'm actually stressed. I can drink some water.
Those few nervous moments. I don't know, I kept stressed, but forget it. You're on.
I'm so sorry. But
Yeah.
finally, we managed. So the reason why I requested Shan to come online is with me because he's one of my favorite singers. But there was a song that he sang, and I remember I was in school that time, and me and my close friend Mayur Desai would sing this song. It's called Tanha Dil, like Arjun
Right.
has said. Tanha Safar. It's such a what went behind
So what I'm
you writing this.
yeah. No, actually, I was Tanha Dil song I wrote for my part. We were all together in school, and eventually everyone left India. Some of them went to study, some of them just went to find a job, and so it was their story through this song.
Oh, it was
And,
there sorry, through
yeah,
this
we were
time.
a group of 7 friends, and except for me, all went abroad. None of them were in India. So I wrote a song for them.
So these are all your school friends, basically.
All my school friends. Yeah. You know what? I'm gonna
Like you're not in touch with.
sing that song for you, and I'm gonna sing it with the track, so you get a feel of the whole song. So I set that up also. I was waiting for this whole thing. So I'm gonna just
Oh, okay, that's amazing.
yeah.
You take it away then.
Yeah. Yeah, so that's the track, so you get a feel of the song also. There we go. आंखों में सपने लिए घर से हम तो दिए जाने ये रात जाएंगी कहाँ मिट्टी की खुशबू आए पलकों पे आंसू लाए पलकों पे रह जाएगा यादों का छाया मंजिल नहीं है जाना है कारवां चलना खेल है यहाँ तन्हा दिल तन्हा ढूंढे तुझे फिर क्यों नजर तन्हा दिल सफर ढूंढे तुझे फिर क्यों नजर तन्हा
Wow. Wow. Thank you so much. I mean,
It's gone on, but I know there's so many people who want to speak with you, want to share
but this is really the best birthday gift I can get, and thank you for doing this. I've always told you I'm obsessed with this song. It's something which gets me through a lot of dark phases in my life. A lot of because zindagi ek safar hai. Eventually, it's like what you say in the song, and now that I know the meaning behind it, it's amazing.
as positive, as open, as simple, as easygoing, as approachable as you've been. I've seen in all these years so many youngsters becoming superstars and beyond. And some things change, but with you, I have to say this: it's amazing that coming from such an illustrious family and seeing so much around you, you still are so grounded, so solid, so hardworking. So only greater success. And thank you for loving the song. It is 20 years to Tanha Dil. So
Oh.
I'll come do something special on this song. We'll do something about it.
You must. And I must say that the way you looked in the video back then, I feel you look exactly the same. Your hair is the same. You haven't aged.
Yeah,
Maybe
correct.
no, that's just the style. But you look exactly the same. So thank you for this, Shan. Thank you for doing this.
Thank you, Varun. Thank you so much. Thank you so
Take
much.
care. God bless.
Lots of love to everyone, to dad, mom, everyone.
Thank you.
Bye.
Thank you. So guys, that was Shan for you. And like I said, I wanted to do this so that you all can hear my favorite song on my birthday. There were a lot of other people who were trying to come in to this chat at the time. I could see Shruti Hassan saying hi. She has a beautiful voice. We could even get her to come and sing something for us during this time. I'm just going to connect the power to the charger, and so that everyone, yeah, you can see me very clearly. I'm guessing right now. Yeah, it's pretty clear, isn't it? Yeah. So a lot of more questions that I did get were that what are my plans ahead? Oh, Jassi Gill is over here. He sings amazingly as well. Let's ask Jassi Gill if he wants to come up and sing a song for us. Because I'm not as talented. I can't sing. I suck. So, it's better we get guys who can sing. And I've got a big surprise which will take place at 5 o'clock. So, anyone's watching right now, if we get disconnected, we come back at 5 o'clock. We do come in with another song request. Let's see if Jassi Gill wants to sing a song for us. I don't think anyone's prepared to sing. Okay, he's going to be here. Paji,
Hi bro, happy birthday.
Thank you, Paji. पाजी हम लोग
बहुत
बस
बहुत मुबारकबाद
करना
आपको।
चाहते हैं लोगों को ऑब्वियसली
मैंने
आप
देखा अभी
गाना
देखा
गा लो
मैं वर्कआउट कर रहा था बट अभी
आप वर्कआउट कर रहे हो पाजी हाफते हाफते गाना गा लो निकले करंट गा लो फिर
ओके
अभी तो करंट ही निकल रही होगी
हो जुत्ती थल्ले रख दी है मित्तरां दे दिल नू लगदा है जान भी नहीं हल्ले जस्सी गिल नू मैं दस की लेना सुनिया तेरे फैंस दी हो निकले करंट तेरे यार चों नी तक तक तेनू गोरीए निकले करंट तेरे यार चों जुत्ती थल्ले रख दी है मित्तरां दे दिल नू लगदा है जान दी नहीं हल्ले जस्सी गिल नू
पाजी इस गाने के पीछे थॉट क्या था एग्जैक्टली ये गाना किसको देख के आपने लिखा था
ये देख के नहीं लिखा था बाजी इसका क्या चक्कर था कि मैं और नेहा बहुत देर से एक दूसरे को जानते हैं और पिछले 4-5 साल से जानते हैं तो बहुत देर से ट्राई कर रहे थे कि कुछ गाना करना है बट कोई गाना बन नहीं पा रहा था तो गाना नेहा का आया था जिसमें वो बोलती है कि जुत्ती थले दब दिया मैं तेरी वे आकड़ नू तू ना जाने मुंडिया वे नेहा कक्कड़ नू तो उसकी रिप्लाई में ये लिखा गया था कि जुत्ती थले रख दिए मित्तरां दे दिल नू लगदा है जान दी नहीं हले जस्सी गिल नू तो मैं फाइनली मैंने नेहा को भेजा और नेहा बोली
तो क्वेश्चन आंसर में गाना बन गया बेसिकली
हाँ तो उसी में उसमें जो लिरिक्स हैं सारे जानी ने लिखे हैं वो सारे क्वेश्चन आंसर्स हैं
अच्छा बहुत ही बढ़िया ये लिरिक्स किसने लिखे हैं
जानी ने लिखे हैं सर
जानी ने लिखे हाँ वो तो बहुत ही बढ़िया लिखे वो तो बट गॉड ब्लेस यू पाजी थैंक यू फॉर कमिंग एंड
थैंक यू सो मच मेरी तरफ से आपको फिर से आपको बहुत बहुत जन्मदिन की मुबारकबाद बाबा जी आपको हमेशा खुश रखें और ऐसी आप अच्छी अच्छी फिल्में देते रहें थैंक यू सो मच बाजी
थैंक यू पाजी थैंक यू सी यू सून
थैंक यू थैंक यू सर
guys that was Jassi Gill so we're going to get back to the fan questions now something that was asked to me a lot कि अब next मैं कौन से फिल्में कर रहा हूँ obviously there is something that I'm doing with Sriram sir which is being produced by Mad Dog Films that is something we want to do but that's a film which requires a lot of prep like Sriram has said before and हम लोग उसके middle में थे I had to go and start training and there were things that we had to do but everything has come to a pause now obviously because of the lockdown and I mean no one's above nature तो आप please सब लोग घर पे रहिए अगर घर से बाहर निकलना ही है तो प्लीज मास्क पहनिए ग्लव्स पहनिए फिर ही निकलिए वरना निकलने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है I understand people must be getting stir crazy at home and that's why on my birthday I'm trying to do this trying to interact with people so that they can have some kind of outtake and I think the biggest relief that I get is music music मेरे लिए बहुत ही बड़ा relief है music transports you to another place and makes you feel different. Sunita Patnaik is saying we want Shraddha. Hope everything goes fine soon, inshallah. Hopefully it does. Deepraj, thank you for your wishes. Check this guy out. He makes some really funny memes and videos. Dabbu, how are you? Loving all your videos online, having a good time. Neil, a friend of mine, Neil is here, who's also a singer. Let's ask him if he wants to come on and sing a song for us. He does a lot of voices also. We can tell him to do some imitations. And if we don't like him, we're gonna kick him off here. Let's see if he accepts. Gohar, how are you, Gohar? Lots of love. Happy birthday, sir. May God bless you. Thank you. Thank you, Sunana Didi. My cousin is online. Scavy. We don't have Scavy with us. I wish he was there right now. And he was here to entertain us. Neil is getting a little scared to come online. So I think he's washing his face. But another question that I've been getting asked a lot is what I've been eating during this time. There we have Neil. Neil is a friend of mine from college. We were in the same college. Then he got bullied in that college, so he left that college and went to another college. It's a true story, Neil.
I left that because I felt bad for you. I think.
Felt bad for me, so you left the college.
Yeah.
Why didn't you wash your face before you came on to this Insta live?
I was in fact going for a bath, but then you called, so I had to come.
You're having a bath at 4:30.
I've been having 5 baths in a day. I've been saving water, I've been having more.
So you have like what you put in? You put little water on one arm, then you put on the other arm.
I've been washing
Little
each body part carefully in the day.
But since you're on and people are watching you, Azim Diani is giving you mad respect. People know that you're an entertainer. You do a lot of mimicry as well. So I think it's
you
time.
You should do a lot of things together. I mean, in college,
you should do a lot of mimicry. Why don't you do a mimicry of Baba?
But what do you want me to say about him? I don't know. I mean, he's, Baba is Baba. Yeah? We can't, you're making me go live and do all this right now. It's a scenario, but he's a guy that,
I don't think Baba is watching this. What about Nana Patekar?
अच्छा है ए वरुण आज तेरा हैप्पी बर्थडे है अच्छा है माहौल बहुत प्यारा है देखो बाहर जाके देखो कोई नहीं है रास्ते पे बहुत प्यारा माहौल है अच्छा है बहुत प्यारा आदमी है तू बहुत प्यारा
And a lot of people don't know Ankit. While Ankit wants you to do my imitation, why don't you do Ankit?
You want me to do who Ankit?
Yeah, making him a gel.
Ankit's imitation, I don't think anybody can do right now. Ankit is trying to imitate himself right now. He's so in awe with himself that he keeps trying to do it himself.
He's not gotten out of his house, huh? Matlab, in the last 2 months, even before the lockdown, he was locked down.
He deserves to be locked down. Ankit should remain in his house for eternity.
Other thing I want to say, I saw the video that you and Bunny did, which was really amazing, and I had a great time. I don't know how did you shoot that?
Shot that by ourselves, and I cut it, obviously.
I think Bunny is going on saying do Scavy's imitation.
Who Bunny is saying that? Nobody can do Scavy's imitation. Scavy himself can't do Scavy's imitation, I think.
Scavy's you do very well.
I think we need Kavish.
Kavish doesn't come online, yeah, he's scared.
He doesn't, he still is not, I don't think he wants the world to see.
But anything you want to tell people of what the scene is and how they should stay?
I think that, it's a difficult time for everyone right now, especially for people who are less fortunate than us. We have a house, we have we have good food to eat. I know it is troublesome for everyone to, it's probably psychologically very troublesome for everyone to feel caged. But there are so many people out there right now who really need help. People need food. People need, so many people are not able to go home. The migrant workers and all, the daily wage workers. So I guess in a time like this, I think everyone should really stay safe. That's the way we can stop this. But also, reach out. Also lend out the hand in small ways possible. Yeah. किसी को ration दे सकते हो तो ration दे दो. Watchman को.
No, I know that you and a couple of your friends in Amboli have been reaching out and sending food out for people. So that's an amazing thing you're doing, Neil. And time and again,
there's a couple of slum areas here. So they reach out. People know people, and that's how we end up reaching out. Which is
I think that you all are sending out food and you all are helping out people, and I think that's the need of the hour. if people can, and they are in the position to help people with food or with water and whatever little bit of these things, even
Yeah,
if you
because
see
at a
the police
time
on the
like
road,
this, I feel कि
offering
आदमी
some
आदमी
chai.
के काम नहीं आएगा तो कौन आएगा? Like I mean, I guess it's up to us how this goes.
No, very true. Thank you so much, Neil. I'm going to call you
Bye,
later on.
VTV. Happy
Bye.
birthday.
Thanks, bye. So we are also supposed to be joined by Badsha and probably by B Prague towards the end. B Prague has done an amazing song for the doctors, and he's going to come online and sing that. There's AK. Let's ask AK. He's going to come online with us and just tell us some things that we must do during this lockdown. Chachu, just sitting
Happy
over there
birthday.
without clothes. Just so people
Happy
know,
birthday.
Arjun sits in his house without clothes.
I'm saving water and not
So
allowing my
saving
clothes to
clothes
go for
also.
laundry. Yeah.
मैं कपड़े नहीं पहनूंगा लॉकडाउन
That's why I'm only showing you my hair.
इस्त्री ना करना पड़े.
Yeah, it's a reminder of the long hair photo that we put up yesterday.
No, not coming down. But
I've
what
gate
Arjun,
crashed your live.
since you
Unplanned.
speak really well, you're very articulate. I want you to tell people. I know you have already told. We've always been stressing about the fact that people have to stay home. But in your viewpoint, how do you think this is going to go down, and what do you think people need to do?
Yeah, I think we are very fortunate. We have a house, we have family members, we have people looking out for us. And I guess we've been working for a while, so we somehow can psych ourselves and stay patient. But I'm sure there are a lot of young people who are restless, who are just about to start out their work, or they're starting out away from their families. So many people living alone right now. So many people not sure about future mein kya hoga. Um, it's very easy for us to say ki be patient, be calm, jaan hai to jahan hai. The government has done a very good job. They'll find a mid path, but we really have to pay attention to what the government is saying, because if we don't follow the instructions and the rules, we are jeopardizing not only our lives, our family, our friends. Like, for example, your father, my father, they're at a certain age where we can step out and have fun and come back. Tomorrow we might jeopardize their health. So we have to be careful. We have to be aware. It's not that easy that we can say कि lockdown खुलेगा, जिंदगी normal हो जाएगी. So we have to prepare for the long haul. I feel for the next 3, 4, 5, 6 months, we all have to turn out to be better human beings, better citizens, because I think that will allow by next year, your birthday, for us to see maybe a vaccine out, the doctor sorting it out. But you have to be patient. Sometimes you have to work your way through as a community. So people in Mumbai city or whichever city you guys, everybody has to come together and work towards a long term. It can't just be lockdown खुलेगा मैं अपने दोस्तों के साथ पार्टी करने चले
No, and
जाऊंगा. That's
I
not a
actually want to say
solution.
this, and I'm obviously saying this for the people I know. Like I said, I know Neil is helping out people in his community. I know that Arjun and his sister Anshula have been doing a lot of good work through Fankind. Recently, they raised a good amount of money, which they've contributed to the Daily Wagers. And even before that, Anshula too has been involved with a lot of
Yeah.
these trusts and charity organizations. So it's amazing what she's doing. It's amazing how you're also trying to help people, Arjun. I know you don't talk about it much, but it's a good thing what you're doing.
But I mean, at this point in time, where jitna kare kam hai, I think we are blessed and we are fortunate. So many people are not, so why not do your best and make sure at least you can put food on the table for most people. That's what matters. Yeah, I feel this will teach our society to give a lot of respect to wastage. We as a world have now become so used to wasting. I think iske baad people will stop wasting. Like, you will value the time you spend, you will value the food you eat, you will value the relationships. There'll be a lack of time wastage, emotional wastage. I think सब लोग थोड़े conservative हो जाएंगे for the right reasons. You'll become more aware, more careful, and I think that's better for the world in the longer run. But you won't be conservative in entertaining people.
I don't think any of us should be conservative in entertaining people, and we got to keep doing that. I think that's what's going to take us through this. As much as we can laugh and as much as we can make people laugh. But thank you, Arjun, for coming on and
Thank you
saying this.
for making me gate crash this
We usually
without
have
realizing.
it's a very important conversation we've had today, so that people know we do speak sensibly also to each other sometimes.
Yeah, from all the masti aside. But enjoy your birthday. Eat
Thank
some
you.
cake.
Thank you very
I'm
much.
looking forward to seeing more videos. Bye.
So, that was Arjun, and he's doing some good work as well. Mihir is saying, who's also a friend of mine from school, is saying 2 महीने में सब line पे आ जाएंगे because he's feeling कि सब लोग we are all going to go back to this. I do feel that somewhere in this that there's a lesson to be learned, you know, and somewhere the earth is kind of telling us something. And I know there's one man over there. There's one man. There's one man. He's hardly a man. He's a machine, I feel, because he's 24/7 doing something. We're trying to go live with him. If the light is good at his house right now, he's there. He is. There he is. All grey.
I'm all grey. What do I do?
All grey. No, it's looking amazing, I think. It looks like it's
this is the first time I'm revealing my grey to you, Varun. Because I've realized I have to just live like this. Now there's nothing I can do. My children think that I've grown old suddenly.
I feel you're looking like a Bond villain.
Like a what? A Bond villain?
Yeah, like a James Bond villain. And you
Nothing.
know French
Listen,
also.
the last time I played villain was in a film called Bombay Velvet, and you know how that went, right? So I think I'm scarred by playing villain altogether. I don't think that I should ever try and act personally again in my life. How are you, Varun? Happy birthday!
Thank you so much. There's a girl on here saying that Karan looks really hot.
Karan looks hot like this.
Yeah.
So I'm so glad a girl finds me hot.
A lot of people are saying that you're looking really hot right now. New look, Karan looks really hot. Karan looks really cool. I think people are loving this new look of yours, Karan. It's working.
I've exposed my new look on your birthday for you. This is my present for you, Varun. My new look. This is my new look.
But can I know why did you decide to just go grey? What made you think that, you know, you should just like screw it, let's not color the hair, let's just...
I'm sitting in the house, yeah, not doing anything. Now, who's going to color and what am I beautifying myself for? Who and what? I'm just happy. I'm with my kids, with my mom. I'm just happy with my... I don't want to like... Also, you know, you must understand, although at present, Shashank is trying to call me. So I said, all the chemicals that keep going in our hair is not good for our hair. So I think this will be a good holiday for my hair as well. Let me age gracefully and start behaving like my age for once. My children anyway have really trolled me at home, and they have said I'm looking like a Buddha. They say I dress badly, I can't dance, I can't sing. Apparently I can't do anything. So I've just decided to succumb to my 48
you can do a lot
age.
of things. We know that. You're supremely talented. Karan, because, you know, I've been going through this realization during this lockdown that, you know, I also want to stay away from things that are too packaged or too there are too many chemicals in them, and we all want to go a little bit towards the nature and the natural side of things. Is that happening to you as well? You think?
I think more than that, I think I just want to say that the one thing that I believe very strongly is that we're all going through various shifts in our emotions and feelings and thoughts, and about the environment, about the climate, about ourselves, about our lives. I just want everybody to hold on to this thought right now and not let it go away, because eventually when things will open up and we're back to a conventional, more normal existence, I don't want us to forget what we felt at this time, because what we're feeling right now is very special. It's very responsible. It's emotional. We're feeling compassionate. We're feeling responsible. I don't want this feeling to go away and suddenly we'll become like irresponsible, frivolous people all over again. I just feel that we have to hold on to this emotion, possibly write it down. Like every day, I've started doing that. I start writing down my feelings because I want to read that when things become normal, about how I felt, what I feel about people, what I feel about myself. I just feel like I don't think any of us should be the same person after this. We should all hold on to the people we were during this lockdown.
I also want to tell anyone who's watching this and everyone who's watching this that Karan, along with Dharma Productions, has been doing some really good work. They've been giving large amounts of money to very credible organizations that is helping people, whether it's the daily wagers, whether it's to the doctors for their kids. They've just put out a song which is for the doctors right now. It's a beautiful song. I really love the song, what you'll put out, Karan. And that's amazing. I know you don't kind of put these things out, which I always tell Karan that, you know, you do so many things in life which nobody knows about, and I have seen him day in, day out, like even whether it's just in the office with the staff who's like really, really old and been there for ages, he'll continue supporting them and their families. And I think a lot of businesses should follow you, I think, because the human side is what you're showing right
No,
now.
listen, I just feel like I a few things that we've learned. I think Dharma has learned from my dad. Basically, he set the tone in Dharma, and he used to say that films, whether they are hits or flops don't matter, but if you have a flop relationship in the industry, that's the big flop to really feel sad about. He says your relationships have to be super hits. Films can be fine as long as your relationships are blockbusters, and that's what I lived by. I think, I try to create blockbuster relationships like I have one with you, and I think that we're all here to do our bit. Yeah, we are very tiny parts of this large planet, and we have to just do what we need to do. And I think, like you said with Arjun, and I was catching the last bit of your live chat with him, that it's important to smile and keep that smile going around you. And we shouldn't take ourselves too seriously, because we're also selling smiles. That's what people like us do. We sell smiles. Constantly make sure we do that.
It's so amazing. The person who your mom actually wished me twice on my birthday. One was at night and today in the morning. And
Yes.
what she told me both the times was that, "Beta, smile, keep your parents happy, and always smile." Because I think that's what all the older generations looking, that the younger generation brings that positivity, brings a reason for them to smile during these hard times. So all the kids out there also have to do that.
Yeah, and I think
Like your kids
call
are
me
making you
sorry.
smile so much.
I think you have to spread that laughter and spread the cheer, and I think we're trying to do that in our own way. I've created, that's why I created this fun property at home with my babies, because I just think that, let me share my smiles with the rest of the world, because they're very funny. They say the funniest things, and it comes from such an innocent place in their hearts. And I just wanted to put it out, and that lockdown is also one way of looking at the fact that we're never going to get these years and days back with our families the way we are. So there is always a silver lining, and we have to look for it.
That's true. There's a silver lining. There's a gray hair, silver hair.
There's silver hair and there's a silver lining, and I'm sure you have many more people to chat with. So I'm going to say toodles to you and happy birthday, and I love you, Varun. And call me after this. Call me after this. I have to discuss a couple of work things with you.
5 times.
Bye.
I want to call you at least 5 times.
Bye.
See you.
Okay. Bye. Bye. Bye.
That was Karan Johar, who's one of the closest people to me, and since the beginning of my industry, he's really a stand-up guy, really a cool, good guy. Actually, a really good guy. He really stands by people, which is amazing. Okay, so a lot of fans are here who are getting a little upset because I'm not speaking with them. Hi, Garmi, love seeing you both. That's me and Nora together. And why don't I reply to Shivangi Agarwal? Lots of love to you, Shivangi Agarwal. Love from Nepal. I love Nepal. I'm dying to visit. I was supposed to come there and do a show, but unfortunately, I nahi aa saka. But I've been to Kathmandu as a kid. I'm looking forward to go back over there. Did I have my lunch? Yes, I did. I had a lot of cake. There's a piece of cake lying on the table over there, which is being eyed by another person. Okay. There's someone who wants to sing a song to me. She's a singer. Her name is Swati Sharma. Let's just take her on and we'll give her some time and let her sing something. Manav, thank you. Love you, buddy. Love you. Love you. Thank you so much for wishes. Swati, कैसे हो
हेलो
आप?
सर सर
I'm
हैप्पी
good. Please, मेरे को
बर्थडे
सर मत बुलाइए, आप वरुण बुलाइए. आप कह रहे थे कि आप एक गाना गाना चाहते हैं मेरे लिए, तो प्लीज आप गाइए.
सर मैंने बन्नू तेरा स्वागत गाया है तनुवर्ष
Oh, wow.
के लिए एंड आई
वो
वांट
मुझे
टू
बहुत पसंद है.
Thank
Thank you
you
so
so
much,
much.
man. To me
Okay, sir.
and Tangna, this song is dedicated. चलो.
गरम हवा दी उड़ी गुबारी फैमिली दे हाथ नियारी जुगनी दुगनी चमक चिंगारी अरमान सुन से हल्के भारी वार्निंग पब्लिक में जारी आप संभालो जिम्मेदारी बात बात कर दी है हाथ वात मार दी है बैठे कभी ना बैक सीट बनो तेरा स्वागर लागे सेक्सी बनो तेरा स्वागर लागे सेक्सी अरे बीडी तेरा स्वागर लागे सेक्सी.
थैंक यू सो मच स्वाति. बहुत खूबसूरती से आपने फिल्म में भी गाया और आज मेरे लिए भी गाया. मुझे ये गाना बहुत वक्त से पसंद है. ये गाना बाय द वे मैं गाना बहुत बार मैंने सुना है.
एक्चुअली मैं आपकी बहुत बड़ी फैन हूँ. मेरा भाई आपका बहुत बड़ा फैन है. मतलब वो सुबह शाम सोते जागते सिर्फ एक ही उसके पास रहता है, वरुण धवन वरुण धवन वरुण धवन. ही इज अ ह्यूज फैन ऑफ यू.
प्लीज गिव हिम माय लव आल्सो एंड प्लीज स्टे सेफ. प्लीज स्टे एट होम. एंड आपकी आवाज, अगर आपका भाई आपकी आवाज सुनेगा रोज, तो वो घर पे ही बैठना चाहिए उसे, बिकॉज़ यू हैव सच अ ब्यूटीफुल वॉइस.
जी 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 वो घर पे ही बैठता है और बहुत आपको फॉलो करता है. ही इज अ आर्डेंट फॉलोअर ऑफ यू.
Thank you. Please give him my love and lots of love. Stay safe.
Thank
And
you so
please
much
follow
for
her. She's an
joining me.
amazing,
Means
very
a lot.
talented singer. Take care.
Thank you sir. Thank you sir. Means a lot.
Now, Swati, she sang Bannu Tera Swagger. बहुत ही swag से गाया, बहुत ही मस्त तरीके से गाया उन्होंने. And okay, so we'll go back to some reply here. Please reply my name. I'm a huge fan of yours. Thank you so much. आपने बहुत अच्छा गाना गाया. Yes, he sang really well. The Shashank Khetan, who is also a very, very close friend of mine. We have a couple of minutes so we can have a small conversation with Shashank. Let's see. Shash is also a singer. Shash,
What's happening, bro?
looking like the professor from Money Heist.
Happy birthday, bro.
Shash, we have very little time before some more talent comes on. People don't know this, but before you became a director, you wanted to be an actor. This is a true fact. And you're a really good singer. You sing a lot of rap songs of Ranveer Singh. I think
Yes.
you're on the spot right now. But I wanted to throw it way back to the Ganesh Acharya song, which he did with
Right.
all stars. That song, you love that song.
देख लाला पहले से ही मस्तक की टुकेली है तेरी फूटी किस्मत की तो येड़े दिल तू ही लगेली है पर पाला पड़ा फिर भी से तुझको तेरी मौत दस्तक दे रही है नौ ठक ठक दे रही है बहुत माँ के गहने लिए तूने नमूने कमीने माने महीने भर बहा के पसीने हल चला के जब काटी फसल पर लाठी उठा के तू हिल हिल के चलते हुए राठी उठा के तूने बहुत मामू बनाया बहुत मामू बनाया.
That's it.
Happy birthday, bro.
Shash, can't
I love
wait.
you, bro.
Love you too. Can't wait to see you soon again.
I swear, man, dying to see you.
And
have a great day, buddy.
I know you're home. I know you're safe. So I'm going to call you later on. Take care, bye.
Take care, bro.
That was Shashank Khetan, my director, my good friend. There's Azim Dayani online. I think we should. He's laughing a lot. Why don't we go live with him if he has the fucking balls? Why don't you come online, Azim? This is going to scare him. He's declined it. Azim Dayani declining it live. So we know he has something to hide. Anyway. So Biprak is going to come on. If Biprak is there right now, Azim, why don't you get him on right now? Prachi, thank you so much. Sensible Swara says happy birthday. Thank you so much. Sonal, okay, I'll take your name. Biprak, Paji, kaise ho aap? And we're going to go live with Biprak to finish this off. Ishita Singh, Azim is having shisha somewhere.
Paji, happy birthday.
Thank you, Paji. Kaise ho aap, Paji?
Very good, Paji. आप सुनाओ.
इतना beautiful गाना आज आया है आपका, Paji, for the doctors.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much, Paji.
I feel so proud that it came out on my birthday as well.
Thank you very much, Paji. और आपको बहुत बहुत मुबारकें. Happy birthday and bless you with lots of success.
Thank you. Paji, मेरे को आप पहली बात तो ये कहना है कि मैं आपका जो फैन बना तो मैं मन भरिया की वजह से बना.
हाँ जी, आपने डाला था मन भरिया.
वो मुझे इतना छू गया था और वो वीडियो भी इतना.
Thank you very much, Paji. Thank you very much. Love you.
वो वीडियो शूट किधर हुआ था, Paji?
ये शूट हुआ था, Paji, कोटा में, राजस्थान.
वो तो कनाडा
राजस्थान में शूट हुआ था और उसके बाद फिर हुआ था शूट मनाली में.
Wow, it looks like, that's shot abroad actually.
हाँ जी Paji, वो तो बड़ा एक्सपीरियंस वाला था और शूट वहां पे कोटा में हम तो उस पे हमारे खिलाफ FIR भी हो गई थी, सब कुछ हो गया था क्योंकि वो हमने वहां पे ऐसे लिया था कि हमें था कि हमने परमिशन ली हुई है. कुछ लोग थे वहां पे, उन्होंने कहा भी आपको परमिशन मिल चुकी है, आप आ जाओ यहाँ पे शूट करो. तो उनके अकाउंट में पैसे पूसे भी डलवा दिए, बट उनको लगा कि ये कौन सा गाना चलेगा ज्यादा, तो वो गाना चल गया,
हिस्ट्री हो गया गाना.
तो फिर लोगों ने कहा ये तो वो एरिया जो बिल्कुल यहाँ पे स्ट्रिक्ट है, जहाँ पे आप जा नहीं सकते, कुछ मिलिट्री एरिया था, कुछ वो ऐसा एरिया.
देयर इज लॉट ऑफ मिलिट्री इन कोटा.
हाँ जी. तो फिर वहां से
बात हुई है तो आप प्लीज उसके चंद
मैं भी सुनाता हूँ मेरी. कि तू सब जानदा है मैं छड़ नहीं सकदी तेनू, कि ताही उंगलां ते रोज नचाना मैनू, कि अगले जन्म विच अल्लाह अगले जन्म विच अल्लाह ऐसा खेल रचा के भेजे मैनू, तू बना के भेजे तेनू मैं बना के भेजे. वे फिर तेनू पता लगना ओ किवें पीता जांदा पानी खारा खारा, वे तू मैनू छड़ जाना, वे गल्लां तेरियां तो लगदा है यारा, वे मैथों तेरा मन भरिया, वे मन भरिया बदल गया सारा, वे तू मैनू छड़ जाना, वे
वाह
गल्लां तेरियां तो लगदा है यारा। थैंक यू
पाजी, आप मतलब दिल से गाते हो आप, मतलब बिल्कुल ही
अरे
दिल
अरे थैंक यू वेरी
क्या
मच
आवाज
भाजी।
निकलती है पाजी आपकी। पाजी एक और
थैंक यू
गाना
थैंक यू।
आपका जो मुझे बहुत ज्यादा पसंद है,
हाँ जी,
वो है किस्मत, जो आपने
किस्मत।
म्यूजिक की है ना उसमें, आप
हाँ जी
दैट्स
हाँ
योर
जी,
सॉन्ग।
म्यूजिक कर रहा है भाजी, या
वो आपने गाया नहीं है मुझे पता है,
नहीं मैंने गाया नहीं, बट मैंने
बट
म्यूजिक
आप प्लीज
करा है
अपने
भाजी।
आवाज में सुना दो वो गाना।
मैं सुना देता। तू आखरी उम्मीद मेरी टुट किते जावी ना, लुटी होई नू वे जानी लुट किते जावी ना। तू आखरी उम्मीद मेरी टुट किते जावी ना, लुटी होई नू वे जानी लुट किते जावी ना। मैं चन्न बदलदा वेखिया तारे बदल दे वेखे मैं, हाय लोड़ पैन ते दुनिया ते सारे बदल दे वेखे मैं। सब कुछ बदल गया मेरा, सब कुछ बदल गया मेरा, ओ चल जर ही जावांगी वे जे हुण तू भी बदल गया मैं ते मर ही जावांगी वे जे हुण तू भी बदल गया मैं ते मर ही जावांगी।
क्या बात है
थैंक यू वेरी मच भाई,
पाजी,
थैंक यू
आपका
वेरी मच।
दिल टूटा है क्या कभी?
यार भाई हमारे को इतने मैसेजेस आते हैं मेरे को, और जो गाने हमारे जानी भाई लिखते हैं गाने, कि आप बहुत ज्यादा क्या है आपके अंदर भी, आप इतना टूटे हुए हो अंदर से कि ऐसे गाने गाते हो। बट ऐसा कुछ नहीं है भाई कि हम टूटे हुए हैं या हमारे को बहुत ज्यादा धोखे मिले हैं लाइफ में, नथिंग, कुछ भी ऐसा नहीं है। इट्स जस्ट कि मेलोडी हमें इतनी पसंद है बनानी और लोगों को इतनी पसंद आती है, हम एक्सपेरिमेंट पे एक्सपेरिमेंट करते हैं। लाइक फिलहाल एक ऐसी बात थी जो
पाजी, आप ये बात बोल
बिल्कुल
रहे हो, मुझे
डायरेक्ट
सब
बात थी वो।
कमेंट्स में बोल रहे हैं कि फिलहाल 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 फिलहाल।
मैं
मेरा एक
फिलहाल भी सुना
दोस्त है वरुण शर्मा, जिसको लोग प्यार से चूचा बुलाते हैं और अभी सेक्सा बुलाते हैं, उसको तो उसने मुझे आपके गाने बहुत पहले सुनाया, आपको पता नहीं है, तो जब मैं
हाँ जी
जानता
हाँ
भी
जी।
नहीं था आपको, तब वो मुझे सुनाता
अच्छा,
रहता था आपके वरुण शर्मा। तो आप प्लीज फिलहाल गा दो।
वरुण भाई हमारे
फिलहाल तो
बड़े खास हैं।
ऑब्वियसली बड़ा खास गाना है,
फिलहाल
क्योंकि
भाजी
मेरा
बात ही
दोस्त भी
ऐसी है ना, देखो डायरेक्ट बात है फिलहाल। वो
डायरेक्ट बात है।
हर बंदा, बस वो है कि हमने वो बोल दी बात और हर बंदा बोलने से शर्माता है बस।
एंड मैंने फिलहाल बहुत पहले सुना था, रिलीज होने के पहले सुना था, मेरे को ये वरुण ने ही सुनाया था चूचा ने।
हाँ वरुण ने सुनाया
पता नहीं
होगा।
वो कैसे पायरेट कर रहा है आपके गाने।
ये हमें भी नहीं पता कि, मैं भी उनको
कैसे?
पूछा, मैं कहा पाजी आपको मेरा गाना कैसे मिल रहा है? कहता ये नहीं मैंने बताना, बस मिल जाते हैं आपके गाने मुझे।
मिल जाते
मैं कहा
हैं।
ठीक है।
बट आई एम सो प्राउड ऑफ दिस सॉन्ग, बिकॉज मेरा जो दोस्त है अजीम, ही इज आल्सो एसोसिएटेड इन अ वे विद दिस सॉन्ग।
अजीम भाई की वजह से ही पाजी, मतलब कि अगर मेरे को आज बॉलीवुड में सब जानते तो इसमें अजीम भाई का बहुत बड़ा हाथ है,
पाजी और
बहुत
अजीम
बड़ा
भाई
हाथ।
छुपे हुए रहते हैं, वो
आइए
प्रोफेसर की
कभी भी
तरह, मनी
अच्छा
हाइस्ट के प्रोफेसर
इनको,
की तरह छुपे हुए रहते
मैं
हैं,
भी अपने लाइफ में इनको
बस
कई बार
कबूतरों
याद
से बात
करता है,
करते
कभी नहीं
घूमते,
आते।
मिलते नहीं है लोगों को। सर आप प्लीज
बिल्कुल भी नहीं।
आप एक फिलहाल प्लीज गा दो सर।
फिलहाल भाई ओ कुछ ऐसा कर कमाल के तेरा हो जाऊं, ओ कुछ ऐसा कर कमाल के तेरा हो जाऊं। मैं किसी और का हूं फिलहाल, मैं किसी और का हूं फिलहाल कि तेरा हो जाऊं। मैं किसी और का हूं फिलहाल कि तेरा हो जाऊं। ये गलत है जो भी कर रहा जानी, पर ये भी देख तेरे बिन किंज मर रहा जानी। मर जाएंगे ले संभाल, ओ मर जाएंगे ले संभाल के तेरा हो जाऊं। मैं किसी और का हूं फिलहाल कि तेरा हो जाऊं। तेरा रा रे रा रा रे रा रे रा रे रा रे 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 रे।
व्हाट अ सॉन्ग भाई,
थैंक यू वेरी मच
क्या
भाजी।
गाना है ये।
मैं आपके लिए भाजी कभी प्लेबैक करना चाहूंगा जिंदगी
पाजी
में
प्लीज
जरूर।
प्लीज आप,
मैं
पर
डेफिनेटली गाना बना के दूंगा पाजी आपको।
प्लीज पाजी आप दीजिए मुझे गाना, मेरे को ऑनर होगा। बट पाजी आपके भागने से पहले अभी अभी आज आपका एक तेरी मिट्टी गाना एक नए रूप में आया है आज।
हाँ जी हाँ जी,
आपने डॉक्टर्स के लिए बनाया ये गाना,
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल।
एंड व्हाट अ अमेजिंग मेलोडी, व्हाट अ ब्यूटीफुल सॉन्ग इट इज।
हाँ जी हाँ जी, क्योंकि
अगर
हमारे
आप
डॉक्टर इतना हमारे लिए कर रहे हैं चाहे वो डॉक्टर्स हैं, पुलिस हैं, तो मैं हमेशा हर लाइव में हर बारी यही, और आप भी बारी, हर दुनिया का जितने भी हम सेलिब्रिटीज हैं वो यही बोल रहे हैं कि अपने
Correct.
घरों में रहिए, सेफ रहिए।
डॉक्टर्स भागना है।
और ये टाइम जो है निकल जाएगा, ये भी भाई बुरा टाइम ज्यादा देर के लिए कभी नहीं रहता, ये
थैंक
भी
यू
निकल
पाजी।
ही जाता है।
पाजी तो डॉक्टर्स के लिए हो जाए।
नन्ही सी हंसी, भोली सी खुशी, फूलों सी वो बाहें भूल गए, जब देश ने दी आवाज हमें, हम घर की राहें भूल गए। हम सोए नहीं कई रातों से, ऐ जाने वतन सौ चांद बुझे, हमें नींद उसी दिन आएगी जब देखेंगे आबाद तुझे। हो तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। हो तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
थैंक यू पाजी, यू मेड सो मेनी पीपल हैप्पी टुडे।
अरे
क्योंकि
थैंक
क्या
यू
हो
वेरी
जाता है
मच।
ना पाजी, सब लोग घर पे बैठे बैठे कहीं ना कहीं जिंदगी वही रुक जाती है। और मैं
बिल्कुल
मानता हूँ
बिल्कुल,
कि म्यूजिक में वो ताकत है कि वो आपको बाहर की दुनिया दिखा सकती है, अपने
बहुत
वर्ल्ड।
बड़ी ताकत है
इट
म्यूजिक
जस्ट
में, बहुत बड़ी ताकत है भाई।
it takes you away. So thank you for doing this, and
थैंक यू वेरी
it's
मच
very
भाई,
beautiful. Thank you so much.
एंड
Thank
हैप्पी
you.
बर्थडे भाई वंस अगेन, एंड आई विल सी यू वेरी सून, और गाने
Soon,
के साथ
soon.
मिलूंगा भाजी।
अरे बात, definitely.
लव यू भाजी, थैंक
Love
यू।
you. Take care. Take care.
ओके भाजी, थैंक यू।
Okay, so guys, that was that. I think this has been a very long session, and I tried my best. I tried to get some friends on जो आके आप लोगों को entertain कर सके, जो आप लोग को थोड़ा सा हंसी खेल खुशी दिला सके, and I'm glad that we sorry. I'm glad that we could do that. We could, I can see a lot of people who are happy, who loved the songs that they heard. And truly, I believe that singers have that. Thank you, Dino. Thank you so much. Sending you lots of love. Erica Packard, thank you. Thank you guys for the birthday wishes. And yeah. And yeah, Natasha, I'll speak to you later. But just it's a happy birthday. I think if everyone is happy in the world at the moment, so just sending out lots of love, lots of respect to the doctors, to the police officials. It's very hard what they are doing, and we all have to support each other. And all over the world, I mean this, as Indians we have to support other countries, we have to help other countries, and because I believe we will come out of this stronger and safer and happier. Okay, take care guys, and thank you. Okay, I need to just try and save this. I don't know how do we save this. Okay.